I'm Simone from PinchAPennyGardener, and it's planting season in South Florida because we're a lot cooler now. Now, if you'd like to see a lot more episodes of this from PinchAPennyGardener, don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Now, for you on the East Coast, it's cold, so you have to start bringing stuff in. But for us here in South Florida, it is time to plant. With this change and time for a new planting season, I decided it was time for a new look. And because everybody's on the Build Back Better trend, I thought it was time to upgrade the White House. I want to thank my followers for helping me buy the greenhouse. In my case, all I'm doing is replacing the cover. So what I did was I took off the White House and I'm making it the greenhouse. All I need to be able to do now is cut out the greenhouse, have something to support it so it doesn't blow away. So I'm going to use bricks or weights. And then my greenhouse is finally up. Oh, you know what else I'm going to need? Some extra hands to help me put it up. Now that the White House has become the greenhouse, we're ready for the season. If you'd like to see more episodes like this from PinchAPennyGardener, don't forget to like and subscribe and share the information.
Come down to the Sunshine State, we got flowers and veggies aplenty. We'll teach you how to pinch a penny. I'm talking about PinchAPennyGardener. Yeah, PinchAPennyGardener. We'll teach you all you need to know. Don't forget to subscribe and like the show.